Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices slipped as markets weighed macroeconomic concerns, including the risk that tariff wars between the US and other countries could hurt global demand. Brent futures were down 54 cents, while WTI dropped 63 cents. Wall Street resumed its slide as cool inflation data was overshadowed by fears that the escalating, Hydra-headed tariff war being waged by the United States against its biggest trading partner could reignite inflation and tip the economy into recession. Representatives of US President Donald Trump's family have reportedly held talks with Binance about acquiring a stake in the crypto exchange. Binance reached out to Trump's family representatives in 2024, offering to strike a deal as part of a plan to resume Binance US operations in the country.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The sterling dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Be prepared as the economic calendar for the upcoming days unveils a series of impactful data releases. These updates, from crucial high-impact reports to secondary announcements, could refine market sentiment and trading strategies. As we approach these data points, investors should keep their strategies flexible. The coming days may bring shifts that provide both opportunities and risks.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.